everybody, welcome back. This is quiz 6.8 where they've introduced the array for each method. Quick disclaimer for those of you that are moving through the Hack Reactor at Galvanize Basic Prep, Mentored Prep, well basically those two prep courses for the software engineering immersive. For each is one of those things that I caution students for the most part to sort of avoid, at least for now. And the only reason would be that when you get to the interview, I don't think that you're really going to benefit as a beginning student or as like an introductory style student if you have more than a couple ways to do everything. The more ways that you have to do the same operations you've learned how to do previously, the more likely it is that you're going to forget how to use one of those. But that said, for each is an example of a higher order function, and they become very important as you move on. So a quick introduction here and a couple of lessons in the rest of the course is going to be a good idea to sort of pay a little bit of attention to. That way, eventually, when you do need to learn about it, you'll have a better, a little bit more solid footing to put down. So they want us to use the existing test variable and write a for each loop that adds 100 to each number that is divisible by 3. Things to note, you must use an if statement to verify the code is divisible by 3. You can use console.log to verify the test variable when you're finished looping. Fair enough. So we're going to say test.forEach. For each is going to take a function that's going to take up to three parameters. The first one is going to be whatever the element in the array over which we're iterating is. The second parameter is going to be whatever the index at that value is. So you can say something like idx. And the third parameter is going to be the context or the overall array. Regardless of what you name these parameters, that's what they're going to be. So you can name them anything that you like, but val, idx, and array can usually give you a good indication of what they're actually up to. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to write an if statement to check to see if the current value, which is just val, is divisible by 3. So quick use of the modulo, which we've perfected in previous exercises, is going to let us say if val modulo 3 is equal to 0, I'll put a space there, then we want to do stuff. And basically what we want to do is we want to say array at idx is equal to val plus 100. And that should do the trick. So at this point, we could console.log a test, or we could do a test run, provided that we had console.log something. But I'm just going to submit the answer because I'm feeling confident. Excellent work, everybody. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.